Anong ginagawa mo?
Kakain.
Anong kinakain mo?
Steak. Feeling satisfied.
Ay! Ang sarap ah. Siya nagluto niyan. Pinagluto niya ako. Ayan ah. Diba? Ayan ah. Parang special to ah. Special ba to? Ha? Sarap oh. Sarap to. Yan oh. Mainit-init pa. Bagong luto eh.
Favorite siya.
Ha? Hmm? Sarap. Nasawsaw mo dito.
Sausaw na.
Ha? Sarap. Ah.
Garlic.
Wala tayong rice na yan. Wala diba?
Garlic tapos.
Meat.
Meat.
Masarap.
All around the world, we cover stories that make
Mm.
us angry, sad, triumphant, and glad. But our job as journalists
Lambot ah, no?
is to harness all these emotions and turn them into positive action.
Kain tayo mga bossing.
Possible to turn into
Med ate ah.
best work and be